Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss why Nifty has crashed by 3% and what are the reason behind this fall and what are the main support and resistance point we need to take care going forward. So we will see all the important support and resistance point so that it will be easy for us to predict the Nifty in future. What will be the Nifty targets going forward? Let's start our discussion. Let me share my screen and take you through the Nifty chart pattern, and let's analyze and predict what will be the Nifty targets going forward. So this is the chart of Nifty 50 index, and let's do the technical analysis to understand different resistance and support line and the different price level which we need to take care of as far as our trading and investment is concerned. Nifty 50 has given the all-time high of price level 18,600 on 19th October, and after posting the all-time high of 18,600, Nifty 50 has corrected by almost 11.71%. And this was the recent low it has made on 20th December 2021. So after posting the low at the price level of 16,400, Nifty 50 has posted the higher low at the price level of 16,800. Nifty 50 is posting a higher lows currently. If the price level of 16,800 will further break down, then we can say that there will be a further breakdown of some percentage. So now let's understand which is the strong resistance and support line. So if you can see, currently Nifty 50 is trading at a strong resistance and support line of the price level 18,600. So I have made the horizontal line of price level 18,600 in the red color. So this is a strong resistance and support line. And as I told you, if the candle will break down this price level, then we can say that it will further go down by some percentage. Now let's understand what will be the next support line where the Nifty can fall further. You can see this is the next support line of price level 15,700. If Nifty 50 will break down the price level of 16,800, the next support it will take at the price level of 16,400 at the correction of 2.53%. If Nifty 50 will break down the price level of 16,400, it will take the next support at the price level of 15,700. A breakdown of 4%. We have seen the two support point. First is the price level of 16,400 and the second support line 15,700. From the current price level of 16,800, Nifty 50 can further break down to a price level of 15,700 with a correction of almost 6.5%. Now let's understand why this 15,700 is a strong support line. So if I can draw a neckline at the price level of 17,000, Nifty 50 has formed the head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So if we can take the depth of this point and put it below the neckline, we will get the price level of 15,700. So that is why with the head and shoulder pattern also, this price level of 15,700 is showing the strong support point. So I have written down all this strong support price level. So currently the Nifty 50 is trading at a 16,800 price level, and the last low it has made at the same support level of 16,800. Now, so this is the higher lows it has made recently. So if it breaks down this price level, it will further go down to 16,400. So if Nifty 50 will break down the price level of 16,400, the next support available is the 15,700. The Nifty 50 has taken a multiple support at the same price level during July 2021. This is about the Nifty correction. If it happens going forward, this panic is generally because of the macroeconomics. Market correction is temporary, and it is not only happening in India, it is happening all over the world. This is happening mainly because of the tension between Russia and Ukraine, and recent increase in the inflation rate and the recent increase in the crude oil prices. And these are the few macroeconomics reason and the events which is making people to do the panic selling in the market. And because of that only the market is corrected by 3% today. As I told you, these corrections are temporary in nature, In our previous video, we talked about the future prediction of Nifty 50, which was, as per our analysis, the prediction was 20,000 going forward. Once the situation will stabilize after few months, our prediction of Nifty 50 of price level 20,000, definitely it will be going to achieve. So in this kind of situation, we need to understand and remember the philosophy of Warren Buffett. So we have to be greedy when the market is fearful, and we have to be fearful when the market is greedy. So currently the market is in the panic situation. So this market correction has given us the opportunity to make our position in fundamental strong stocks, which are available at the price level of near or below the 200 moving day average. So let me also show you the Nifty 50 index prediction, which we have made last month. We have made our last video of Nifty 50 future prediction on 21st January 2022. In that video, we have talked about our Nifty 50 target. So this was the neckline, and Nifty 50 was supposed to make the cup with handle pattern. So this was the cup it has formed, and at this price level, we thought that it will made a cup, but it has break down from this price level, and the handle has not formed. However, suppose if Nifty 50 will not break down this price level of 16,800, and it will further break out from this price level and go upward and touches this price level of 18,100. So it will make a handle from this price level. So this will be the handle in our cup with handle case. And if we can take the depth of this price level up to the neckline and put it on the neckline, we will get our future Nifty 50 prediction. So that is the price level of 20,000. So this was the prediction we have made on 21st January 2020. We have discussed about the correction of Nifty 50 also, with a different support level which is available currently. So the next support is 16,400. If the price further break down from the price level of 16,800, the strong support available is at the price level of 15,700 with a correction of 6.41. Now this is about the correction, but if it is further breakout from this price level of 16,800, and it might take the resistance at the price level of 18,200 at this price level going upward, but after giving the breakout from this price level, it will definitely going to touch the prediction of 20,000 price level. So this is all about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So we have discussed both the price level, the correction also, and upward movement also, with the target price of 20,000 and the support price of 15,700. I think this is a good opportunity to invest in the stock market. There is no need to panic. The macroeconomics and the event play all the time in a stock market, and people generally used to sell and do the panic selling in the stock market, and because of that only majority of the retail investor lose their money in the stock market, because they do the panic selling at these type of events or the sentiment. We have to be more smart, and we have to take the opportunity of these type of correction in the stock market, and we have to always remember the philosophy of Warren Buffett. We have to be greedy when the market is fearful, and currently this is the same situation. The market is in the panic situation, and we have to be greedy and make our position in fundamental strong stock. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you.